Introducing the 2022 Skoda Octavia C technology TSI DSG. With only 37,000 miles on the clock, this silver beauty is packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and more. The 1-litre engine ensures a smooth and efficient drive every time. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with features like the energy recuperation system and stop-start technology, you'll save money on fuel. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit Joe Norris Motors, i.e. or call us today for more information on this impressive car.